Hello friends, in this QuickBytes video, I'll show you how to replace VLOOKUP with PowerQuery in simple steps. Here is the scenario. We have two data tables, orders and manager. The objective is to map manager name from the manager table to the order table. The traditional approach is to use VLOOKUP, but how can we solve this using PowerQuery? The answer is with simple mouse clicks. Let's close the data file and open a new blank workbook. Go to Data, Get Data, From File, From Workbook, and select the file which has the data tables. Now select the required data tables and click Transform Data. This will open a PowerQuery window with the selected data tables. With the order table selected, click on Merge Queries under Home. In the Merge Query window, select the Manager table as the second table. Select the region in both the tables as it is common column between them. Since we need all the rows from the order table, we select left outer under join kind. It also quickly shows the total rows matched between the two tables. Click OK. Once done, we'll get a column for manager table. Expand the column, select the required field, which right now here is manager. Close and load. Here we go. Against the region, we get the manager's name. The PowerQuery connection is dynamic in nature. If we make changes in the source table, the changes will be reflected in the merge table as well. Let's quickly see how it's done. I will open the source table and update the manager's name. Save and close. Right-click on the table, select Refresh. It's done. You can also include more than one column. All you need to do is change the selection. Go to Edit Queries, select the gear icon of the step, and select the columns you want. Simple. No need to remember the formula and deal with the complexity of it. Hope you find this useful. Let me know in comments. Do check out other QuickBytes videos on improving efficiency through small steps. Thanks for watching.